Hi, I'm Barb George. I'm the Director of Nutrition Sales at Nasco, and today I want to give you some ideas about how to stretch your budget. You know, we make life-form food replicas, about 400 of them now, in many different portion sizes for whatever it is you're trying to teach. We know, though, that your budget can't take purchasing all 400 of them at a time. We do have a generic portion size kit that may be helpful for you. It just has different colored replicas of portions. So this one shows 1 cup, a half a cup, a third of a cup, a quarter of a cup. This one shows 3 ounces, which is the portion size that you most often want to show for a protein, for a meat or a fish, and then 1 tablespoon. So whether you're trying to help people identify that they should have a half a cup of potatoes, or you're working with a diabetic patient and you want a third of a cup of pasta, you might be able to substitute these generic portions and let them handle them and just get an idea for how large that portion size would be. Just a way to help you save money and be able to supplement the education that you're doing with your patients. It's Nasco's Common Portion Sizes Kit.